Welcome to Stenciling 101 with the Stencilsmith. Before stenciling, make sure your surface is smooth and free of debris. This allows your stencil to lay flat against your surface and will give you the best results. Secure your stencil with painter's tape to keep it from shifting. You can use spray adhesive, but I like tape. It's quicker and leaves no mess. Using your premium Stencilsmith brush, lightly dip it into the paint, approximately 1/8 of an inch. You can use any paint you'd like. The most common choice is a high-quality acrylic paint. Just ensure your brush is dry before you start. Next, offload your brush by swirling onto a shop towel, paper towel, or a piece of cardboard. You want some friction to grab extra paint and work it into the bristles. There should be very little paint on your brush. Stenciling is a dry brush technique. This is the most important step in stenciling. The most common techniques of stenciling is either swirling or stippling. Swirling is moving your brush in a continuous circular motion. This is the quickest way and most popular. Stippling is tapping your brush in a straight up and down motion. This is useful when painting small detailed areas or delicate parts where the stencils can move easily. With both techniques, you can use your fingers to give a little extra support in the area you are working. How to prevent bleeding. Bleeding is caused by too much paint on your brush. This is what too much paint looks like. If there is too much paint, it will bleed under your stencil, leaving messy, uneven edges, like this. Remember, stenciling is a dry brush technique. Always start with a dry brush and make sure to offload most of your paint. It should be almost dry to the touch. Perfecting this technique will ensure you get crisp, clean edges every time. Depending on how opaque your paint is and how you want it to look, will determine how many layers of paint you need. Allow each layer to dry before starting the next. You can use a heat gun or blow dryer to speed up the drying process. Just make sure it's always moving and not too close to the stencil. Once you're happy with the opacity of your paint, you can now lift up the stencil to reveal your masterpiece. You nailed it! Great job! Taking a little extra time to connect your bridges can really up the wow factor of your finished project. Using your awesome Stencilsmith detail brushes, simply dip the tip of your brush into the paint and fill in your bridges. Your letters will flow nicely to the eye, giving it a finished look. Congratulations! You are now a stenciling rock star. With your new skills and our mega inventory of stencil designs, the sky's the limit of what you can do. Happy stenciling!